Okay, so in this video, I will be going over the instructions for weekly module 1. So that covers from the Thursday of the 14th to 17th, so it's a very short week. So the objectives of this week, or this module, is listed, and this is going to be pretty much basically the same for the rest of the weekly modules. You will have the Learning Resources folder and this week's assignments folder. So under Learning Resources, this is where you'll go to access the recorded videos of this week's lessons. So because we are covering 2 topics this week, we will be going, you have the PowerPoint of the rectangular coordinate system and also the PowerPoint of linear equation. And you have both of those lessons posted, so please watch them and as they cover this week's lessons. Okay, so and videos and links are here. So what it is this is the links to additional resources. So I know there are many links. This will always be optional, so you would have access to all of these additional videos that you can watch if you feel that you need to you're not understanding certain concepts or you think you need more practice. Okay, so the links and videos are there, all for your use. Oops. All right, let me go back to our module. Okay. And just for this week only, I posted all of these additional resources that I want students to watch or pay attention. This is the Introduction to Online Classes at Bloomfield, and all the necessary information that you guys need to know, navigating the portal, or how to submit the homework, how to turn your homework into a PDF file so that I can grade your work. It's all here. So probably something that would be worthwhile looking into is this one, Blackboard Assignments Overview. How do you turn in the work? And this is also useful. How do you combine PDF to create a PDF of your homework pictures? You guys can watch this video to access that. And also there are some apps that I was told of that students can download. And what it does is scans the student's work that you've done on your paper, and it turns it into a PDF file. It's for you guys. And this is also probably important for you guys to know if you're not used to Blackboard already, how to submit an assignment on Blackboard. Okay, so all of these are there, and around the test time, I will remind you guys to see this video again, how to take math quiz or test on Blackboard. Okay, so again, please utilize or watch these videos that are only posted under the first weekly module. This is again, Introduction to Online Classes at Bloomfield. Okay, so that's what it is. And and there are more optional practice, more links, more practice websites. It really needs to go really in detail, and it's all there for you to practice. Okay, so that's what it is under the Learning Resources folder. So let's go over this week's assignment. I know this is your first week, so for this week's discussion board, you will be introducing yourself. So please post what is your name and year, what is your major, and at least one interesting fact about you. And this posting should be done by midnight on Sunday. Okay, and after that, you will submit the weekly module 1 assignment, and this is based on the textbook that I have it here. It's also on the OpenStax website. And after reading the textbook and also watching the videos, please do these problems and turn them in. And you guys can also turn in by clicking this, which will get you guys to the turning in link. All right, so that's it. And I will be releasing the homework 1 solution after after it's been graded, or after students has turned in and this link gets closed.